Innovation is what sets you apart from your competitors, and it could be your company's greatest advantage. You need creativity, agility, and the ability to process concepts as quickly as possible. Where we might previously have employed surface modelling techniques to achieve this, we have a new option that provides even more agility and creativity when you need it most. Subdivision Modelling is a spontaneous, organic sculpting tool that helps us to visualise our changes in real time. As part of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, it's available on any device with an internet connection and is compatible with your existing SolidWorks workflow. As products become increasingly focused and complex, turning designs into functional CAD models can be difficult with traditional modelling tools, which is why designers themselves are turning towards a simpler, free-form approach like the xShape app within the 3D Sculptor role to unlock endless design abilities. 3D Sculptor offers subdivision modelling on any browser, on any connected device. Let's take a look at how designers can leverage the xShape app within the 3D Sculptor to complete a sleek new design for the exterior of the C-Scooter. Our designer has set up reference images within a new component to guide their work. Sub-D modelling starts with a primitive shape that can be scaled uniformly or with a bounding box at any point in the design. Push, pull, scale and rotate the sub-D elements with the on-screen manipulator to sculpt any shape imaginable. Add or remove edges or subdivide faces for more localised control. Curvature continuity is maintained throughout, but if sharp edges are needed, add a crease and make adjustments flexibly. Pop-up notifications and built-in task management make it easy to collaborate on design projects. Teammates can add comments, share models, and track each other's progress, all within the design workspace. Sub-D elements can be aligned to sketches, as well as model geometry from other components, and numerical inputs provide a high level of precision. Our designer can make the most of symmetry to automatically mirror changes and halve their workload. Add more materials with the extrude command, or insert an entirely new sub-D body. Irregular selections can be made with the lasso tool, and sub-D elements can be aligned to curves that can be hand-drawn on screen. Sometimes manipulating a sub-D body might cause surfaces to intersect, but the mesh inspection tool isolates these issues, and the cage view makes it easy to refine the problematic areas. The net surface command is perfect for creating sub-D surfaces based on sketches and curves already set up in the model. Parameters of the new surface can be adjusted before sculpting it into shape. The working zone isolates specific areas of the active sub-D body or surface. Multiple sub-D bodies can be combined into a master model and split into individual components for manufacturing. Heading off the design is as easy as dragging the updated model onto the task and moving it to complete. Adding manufacturing details can be done in XDesign or SolidWorks Desktop, so designers can always work in their app of choice. As the design of the C-Scooter continues to evolve, it is possible to make a new revision with built-in data management, or create a branch when it is time to explore a new concept. 3D Sculptor's free-form environment allows you to create complex shapes and surfaces more easily than ever. Unlock endless design possibilities with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Collaborate with teammates to take your designs from concept to production on any device. Are you ready to start your journey into the 3D experience? Whether you're about to take the plunge onto the platform or just want to learn more about how it can help grow your business, get in touch with our expert technical support team via the details on screen.